They're starting off with their veteran guard lineup, and that is...
Kapainit tayo, si Butch Maniego ay nanggaling po kanina sa... Uy, magandang banat ito Kapayaan mo natin i-save mo. They were double teaming, they were shooting. Ito si Patrimonio. Bagsak si Patrimonio, bagsak din si Harenzo. And Harenzo will be slapped.
Well, Harencio, I think, went for the ball. No? In fairness to him, he went for the ball. He was way behind. He went for the ball, and he made sure that Alvin was not, well, in this case, nagkabitawan silang dalawa.
At saka dito sa ganitong championship, palagay ko, kailangan mainit. Oh, nakamaong kayo ngayon. Hindi katulad yung isang araw, naka-block kayo, kaya tayo natalo. Ngayon nakamaong kayo, mananalo kami. Let's go, Ryu Chino.
Okay, Dr. J. Offense. But aside from that, wala pa rin naman nakaka-score na iba sa kanila. No? Let's see, Gayoso again from the outside. This time, it's another triple B.
Dr. J.
Cuneta, this is where the majority of the ball games have been won this year. And look at that rebound.
Monster rebound, Pure Foods. Ito si Hison umatake. He misses that shot, and a deliberate foul has been called
on Ravena.
On number 8, this is Doking Sasuman, Dr. J.
Si Sasuman.
Undercutting, I think, Vince Hison.
Tignan nga natin itong play dahil ito opposite where we are. There's the knee.
At yun yung batok, Dr. J. Batok, ito, tingnan natin from another angle. This is Hison, ito si Sasuman. Pak! Kabit, tinamaan sa batok.
Go Bulls, just in case you're foul. And by the way, Houston beat Seattle in the 7th game.
Mas Morodo. Tumira, wala. Anton Silago for the rebound. He follows up, ginamit ang kaliwa, and that's only the second field goal para sa Copon.
Injury or no injury, naglaro siya.
Ang ganda ng pasa mo, Iho. Eksakto. At yun yung play kanina.
Expected for a team that's down. This is an easy getaway here.
And Hison, ililayap ito, and this is the biggest lead para sa koponan ng Gordons. Season 11.
Ang nasasabi natin dito is that Gordons is playing with a lot of...
Jaworski, tira ni Cordillera sa labas. Finally, a conversion from Jericho.
Kung may shot charge yan, masisira ulo nung kanyang gumagawa niyan.
And Jericho Cordillera answers back with to cut down the lead.
It's run. Dahil yung dalawang misses, malaking bagay yun. Now he shoots another 3-point shot and he makes it. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit doon nakakashoot ka sa free throw line? Walang bantay, hindi ka makashoot.
Dr. J, mukhang
nagpasta
siya sa kanyang karir.
9.
9. All from the 3-point line, and Dudut Jaworski on fire from the 3-point line. Sa kanilang koponan.
Yeah, they're very disappointed at the way they played. Buenas pa sila as that tap in.
Match of Dr. J, Gayoso and Patrimonio. Patrimonio fronting. Bagsak si Alvin Patrimonio, and this is a physical ball game, Dr. J.
And then Alvin, I think, realizes that also. He goes into the land of... But he's a tough player. He's a tough player. On the shot.
Hison, hitting 3. This one is in the bank.
Shot clock is down to 4. Marlo knows that, and he has to make that turnaround jump shot.
Mabigat ito sa Gordos Gin ngayon at nagbabaga itong kanyang koponan. Cordillera. Still.
Nakuha ulit yung season. Buenas pa.
Hand off Marlo Aquino. At gulat-gulat ng mga pangyayari. Pasa sa ilalim. And this is an entirely different Gordon's Gin.
The Raging Animals, no? Pag sino yan?
Bukas si Chris Bolado against Baldavis.
Yes.
Ayun, sigurado na yun.
Tignan natin ngayon how Marlo has improved from the free throw line. Tignan mo yung mga nakikita mo sa NBA, yung mga Pure Food sa kabila.
At tumitingin sila sa table officials. Ito si Dodot Jaworski has 9 career high points. 3 of 3 from the 3-point line. It is not counted, so the final score is 29-14.
Shooting of Gordons in the first quarter, 58% compared to 36%.
Na hindi pa pumuputok ang laro.
There's a jump.
To shoot.
Buenas talaga.
Sobrang taas lang nilalaro, Dr. Patrimonio bagging. Nandito Dr. J Depensa, Sani Cabato, tumira.
Yes.
And that's what Patrimonio.
Panang Pure Food siya.
Valdavid gagamitin ng banda. And Dr. J, this is a high for the rebound. Sinundot ni Sani Cabato. Bangga si Sani Cabato kay Valdavid. Last time si Sani Cabato. And Sani Cabato providing the hustle. Yan ang gusto ko naman kay Sani Cabato.
Dito si Bolado at the same time, at the same game, Ayas and easy layup.
Dindo Pumarin with a deadly crossover. And Terry Saldana showing everyone else kung paano rebound. An outlet pass. And Terry Saldana heady. Dr. J. Purefoods doesn't have a scoring threat sa loob.
Right on the buzzer.
He's the product of UST, and Sonny Jaworski, I think, ready to make another early appearance, same as he did nung game number 2, Dr. J. Valdavid from the corner.
Against one of his former team.
Ito, Sonny Jaworski now making his entry. Sonny Jaworski appearing in his some championship game dito sa kanyang paglalaro. Hindi lamang as a player but also as a coach, si Sonny Jaworski. Baldavid has his own version of the deadly team hardweight, deadly crossover.
Couldn't get the rebound. Tignan natin yan sa ating slow-mo. Si Jaworski and Patrimonio fighting and eventually Patrimonio dragging Aquino aware of the time. Ayan na naman, muntik na naman na agawan si Baldavid. Oh.
Ito si Hison from a behind the back pass ni Jaworski. Bothered by the presence of Dindo Pomarin. Jaworski taking his own version of a three-point shot. Mas magaling na yung anak niya sa kanya ngayon. Pomarin, pasa kay Cudinera. Well set up for that shot.
That's a big man on top of him. He likes to shoot over Evangelista. Ganadong-ganado siya tumira kay Evangelista.
Nagsintayan sila.
Just a one-on-one play.
Loksin, triple B. Aba, sobrang buhay na si to Dr. J. Paano po touch? Tira sa gilid, wala. Rebound battle. Nando si Jericho Cudinera, sinakyan. And Sonny Jaworski coming up with the rebound. Baseball pass. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Inilay up ni Sonny Jaworski. Just the second straight time we have seen outlet passes from two veterans. One from Saldana, this one from Jaworski.
Who are now enjoying a 20-point lead. Pero
Their biggest
binawi
lead.
agad.
Jaworski, yun ang isang paraan to break the press. Those baseball passes. Sonny Jaworski with the layup. Doon naman mas magaling yung anak ko sa tatay. Stay yung tatay sa anak.
Hindi siya mananalo sa barreling drive ni BJ. Pure Foods. I mean, look at Sasuma forcing. What a nice pass. Terrific. Wrap around pass.
And Sonny Jaworski showing us why he leads the league in assists.
Aquino.
Ito si Cudinera from the outside. Again, Sonny Jaworski with a baseball pass. Fielded ni Marlo Aquino. Si Sonny Jaworski yata quarterback sa unang buhay niya eh. A minute and 23 left first half. Sonny Jaworski, ang pasa niya kay Marlo Aquino, almost another assist pa. Hindi makatira talaga sa Patrimonio Dr. J. He's having a hard time dun sa,
Three-point shot.
ayun, sa wakas. Nakapok na ni Sonny Jaworski.
Paborito talaga ni Ravena yan. And Ravena is bringing them back. 5 straight points. Gordon's really should do is settle down. Pinipilit niya katulad yan kay Jaworski. That error is terrible. They could have used the clock instead of trying to rush the ball down with shot opportunities for Ravena to even cut it down to 12.
So, Upukol mas malapit. Wala. Ando si Marlo Aquino tipping that ball in. Wala. Baldavid, a second to go. Bidaton. Tira! And it counts! Bong Ravena is open. Floater ni Bong Ravena is down to 12. Ito si Vince Hison. Inatake si Dindo Pomarin at kahit nandun ang depensa ng Pure Foods.
Atake na naman si Evangelista.
Pabanda ni Jericho Cudinera. He does that so well, Dr. J. Si Jericho Cudinera.
So he's gonna kick the ball out. Jerry again libre. Pasok na naman.
Patay kayo kay Jericho Cudinera. Si Jericho. Marlo Aquino is open. Marlo Aquino, dadak sana ba't nasupalpal sa Evangelista? Ito, the
Chinales.
erasure. You're erased.
Yeah.
Sabi ni
Pero hindi sila humingi. Benny Cheng umatake.
sino palpal na naman ni Evangelista. The second
Kaya magpapalit eh.
injury timeout hinihingi. Yes, sabi, well, kasama na ako isa sa mga yan. Ang Pure Foods hindi makakarating ng ganito nga tama, Dr. J. They're on target. Doon sa sinasabi kanina ni Butch na target nila was to a limit or ayawan na. Ano yun, habulan? Baldavid missing.
At saka nagsisisi si Alvin. He had a nice shot. No?
Baldavid zigzagging. Kumuha ng rebound.
Well, siya na lang ang may legs eh.
Ito si Will.
Nice pass by Locsin.
Suman, isang hindi makashoot. Pumarin.
Yes.
Pumarin,
Fight,
steady. Yun daw championship ng Gordon doon sa third conference against Alaska. They should have learned a lot of lessons. Ito pasa ni Sonny Jaworski!
Yeah.
Ano ba yun? Gordon sa mga leksyon na tinuro sa kanila ng Alaska doon sa championship na yun. As we see Patrimonio nailing a three-pointer. I think they have to regroup, Dr. J. Hindi ko alam kung paano nagagawin yan. They have a lot of timeouts remaining and Sonny Jaworski attack from behind. Sonny Jaworski
Nice play.
bumping and Aquino. Yun, at least kayo nakita natin. Marami pang timeout pwede gamitin pero alam mong nire-reserve mo nila yan towards the end. Ito si Noli Locsin. Bukas sa ilalim. Marlo Aquino show dito. Bukas tumira. Aba! Wilmer Ong hesitating but
Bonus.
finally. Takay, pinapantang tira. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha niya. Inilagay yung bola. Wala. Pinuha niya na naman. At
Ito
foul
pa.
na tatawag kay Ray Evangelista. And now, konting physical. Expected yan.
It was only body. I never saw any hands move.
At dito, nag-iipitan yung mga players ng Pure Foods pero lahat nakangiti.
Parehong
Mabilis ang
Bisaya.
action.
And you can see, maglista and yes. Shake hand. Double teaming against Marlo.
Marlo Aquino powering his way in! Patrimonio. Bumitin sa ere, wala. Rebound nakuha ni Ray Evangelista. At nakuha pa naman ang bola ni Benny Cheng.
Ayun ang mabigat dahil somebody else may foul doon.
Ayan, bukas si Marlo. Marlo finishing off this pass. And Gordons is alive, Dr. J. So looking forward to the next game. No? Dumukot sa ilalim si Ray Evangelista.
He's gonna be used by Jaworski in game 4. Probably game 5. You know, he just wake up. Medyo maganda linaro ng mga ibang players eh.
At dyan po nagwawakas ang storya ng game number 3. Gordons 92, ang Pure Foods 83.